Solve the following inequalities and represent their solution set on a number line. A, 3x minus 5 is greater or equal to 22. B, 7x minus 5 is less than 3x plus 7. C, 9 minus 4x is greater than 33. And D, 7 minus 3 brackets x minus 4 is less than or equal to 2 brackets 3x plus 5. Let's look at each of these separately. Now this is very similar to actually solving linear equations, but we have to remember one thing which will come up in one of the examples. Now obviously the first thing you would do if you solve an equation here is that you would add 5 to both sides, so it would give 3x on that side, and then 22 plus 5 gives 27, so you get 3x is greater or equal to 27. And then you divide by 3, so you're going to get that x is greater or equal to 9. You said represent them on the number line, so if you draw a line, mark on 9 somewhere. Now because it's greater or equal to, you draw a circle but you fill it in. It must be a solid circle. And the line will go that way because it's more than 9. Alright, so the circle filled in, or solid circle, means it must be equal to. So the answer is x is greater or equal to 9. In the next example, we've got 7x minus 5 is less than 3x plus 7. If we look at 7x and 3x and look for the smaller is 3x, so we'll do the opposite thing by taking 3x from both sides. 7x take away 3x gives me 4x, and then we've still got minus 5. And then on the other side, we've just got less than 7 because the 3x have gone. And then add 5, so you get 4x is equal to 7 plus 5, which is 12, and then divide by 4, and it's okay to divide by a positive number, you get x is less than 3. Again, drawing a number line, marking on 3. This time you have an open circle. An open circle means it cannot actually be equal to 3. We want to be less than, so we're going to draw a line that way. Okay, so the circle must not be filled in as it's not equal to. Right, in the next one, we've got 9 minus 4x is greater than 33. If we take 9 from both sides, on this side we're going to have minus 4x. And remember, don't forget the minus sign. On this side we're going to have 33, take away 9, which is 24. Now, if you divide by a negative number, this side will become x, but you need to reverse the inequality sign. If you think of this, 3 is greater than 2, but if you multiply both sides by negative 1, you would have to invert the inequality sign. That's where the idea comes from. So you've got 3 is greater than 2, and you multiply both sides by minus 1, or divide by minus 1, you're going to end up with minus 3. It's not greater than minus 2, it's the other way around. So you have to reverse the inequality sign. So we've got x is less than minus 6, 24 divided by minus 4. On a number line, so we mark on minus 6, and open because it's not equal to, and because it's less than, we'll shade this side, so the arrow goes that way. Alright, in the final example, we've got 7 minus brackets x minus 4 is less than or equal to 2 brackets 3x plus 5. So again, we would expand the brackets, because what we do, but you need to remember that that is a minus 1 in front. So it's 7 minus x plus 4, remember about changing the sign because that minus sign there, is less than 6x, expanding that bracket, plus 10. And then you'd collect together these two terms here, the like terms, so you're going to have 11 minus x is less than or equal to 6x plus 10. Minus x is smaller than 6x, so that then we'll just add x to both sides. That's going to give me 11 on that side, and then 6x plus x on this side will give me 7x plus 10, and then take away 10, we're going to have that 7x is greater or equal to 1, or 1 is less than or equal to 7x. Dividing by positive numbers, so we don't need to change the inequality sign, x is greater than 1/7. So on a number line, you draw 1/7. x is greater than, alright, so the crocodile thing is wider here, so it means greater than 1/7. So we'd have to shade that way because we're greater than 1/7, and perhaps we'll write the final answer as x is greater or equal to 1/7. Filled in because it's equal to. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to solve linear inequalities and represent them on a number line. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.